Hello, my name is Jack, and if you're looking for information about Teds Woodworking, you're in the right place. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Ted McGrath's program, including details about the warranty, content, access to classes, and more. I also have an important alert for you, so stay with me until the end of this video to find out all the details. If you're looking for an effective and simple way to create beautiful woodworking pieces for your home, living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and yard, and you want a validated and affordable method, then Teds Woodworking is for you. This revolutionary program has been a bestseller for 13 years, and the reason for its success is simple. Teds Woodworking is a comprehensive program for anyone who wants to learn woodworking, from beginners to advanced levels. It includes more than 16,000 models to learn from and get inspired by. I recommend visiting the website linked in the description of this video to see a small example of what you can achieve. Teds Woodworking is perfect whether you want to specialize and make woodworking a profession or just pursue it as a hobby. The program is explained so simply that anyone can follow it. All projects are divided into 5 steps. Detailed project instructions, everything is explained from A to Z. Cutting list and materials, you'll know exactly how much material you need for each piece, avoiding waste and unnecessary expenses. Detailed schematic, everything is laid out so clearly that you'll be able to build a piece in less time. Views from all angles, you'll know if you're on the right track, as you will have views from every angle and corner of the project. Beginner to professional level, as mentioned earlier, Ted McGrath's project caters to both beginners and professionals. Now, here's my big alert. Many people sell fake copies of Teds Woodworking, so be careful. The official Teds Woodworking program is only sold on the official website. Don't risk buying an incomplete or flawed program. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website in the description of this video. Also, only by purchasing through the official website will you have unlimited access to the program. Once you acquire it, Teds Woodworking is yours forever, which is fantastic given that there are more than 16,000 projects. Additionally, there's a 60-day guarantee. If you purchase the program and don't find it suitable, you can request your money back, which is undoubtedly great. I hope Teds Woodworking will be inspiring for you and a turning point in your life. Whether you make simple designs to please yourself and your family or become a sought-after and renowned carpenter in your region, I hope this program helps you achieve your goals. I hope my video has helped clarify your doubts. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and it will be my pleasure to respond. If you're already a Teds Woodworking student, please share your impressions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Bye, and have a great day.